Founded in 1934 by Sir C.V. Raman, the Indian Academy of Sciences is a premier organization engaged in the promotion, progress and popularization of science. The Academy, since its inception, has been serving as a platform for researchers from various disciplines to come together as a society and work for the cause of science. Taking another step towards this direction, the Indian Academy of Sciences recently conducted its 27th mid-year meeting at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The two-day event conducted during 1st and 2nd July saw the enthusiastic participation of hundreds of fellows and students across the country who presented their work during the meeting.
The Indian Academy of Sciences started a science education panel a number of years ago. And more recently, the National Academy of Sciences in Allahabad and the Indian National Science Academy in Delhi have also joined. So now the three academies together have three different programs in the science education panel. So the most important being the summer research fellowships. And these fellowships, in fact, you will see a number of the fellows who are located in Bangalore who are working here, the summer research fellows during the summer. So this is given to approximately 2,000 students, both at the undergraduate and first year master's level, to come and work with a fellow of an academy or with somebody who is recommended by a fellow of the academy in all areas of science, all over the country.
While the 27th mid-year meeting began with a special lecture on the AstroSat mission by Dr. Deepankar Bhattacharya of IUCAA, who elaborated on the scientific instruments, scientific operations and early results of AstroSat. The talks covered various disciplines spanning from biophysics and material chemistry to quantum mechanisms, genomics and atmospheric sciences. The major attraction of the meeting was a special symposium on gravitational waves, where researchers from IUCAA Pune and ICTS Bangalore presented various aspects of gravitational waves, including the LIGO experiment and the upcoming LIGO project in India. The symposium also highlighted the importance and applications of the discovery of gravitational waves along with the technological challenges. The meeting also included a special lecture focused on the need of a pulse revolution in India, along with a public lecture entitled Two Ideas of India. Considered one of the best and biggest internship program available to Indian students, the Summer Research Fellowship Program allows students to pursue a 2-month project working with scientists associated with the Academy.